Dr. Lito G. Valle, our Vice President, Dr. Jose S. Valmorida, our College Dean, Dr. Julie Ann A. Orobia, Pastor Benhard M. Sudaria, Pastor, good morning. Attorney Renel Roy Isada, good morning, Attorney. Exco members, faculty and staff, parents, and guardian, the senior high school graduating class of 2026, proudly known as Class Agaya, Alaya, our junior high school completers, friends, guests and colleagues in government service, mayong buntag, a pleasant morning to all. I am deeply grateful for the opportunity to express my heartfelt appreciation to all who supported me in fulfilling the responsibilities entrusted to me. This academic year has been both challenging and profoundly meaningful. I embraced the role with limited experience and naturally serious disposition, yet with a heart anchored in service and faith in God's greater plan. Guided by the principles of service, fairness, growth, and transformation, we sought not only to improve facilities, but also to strengthen relationship with our community, creating a positive and nurturing environment where students could grow into responsive, value-driven learners. The journey was not without obstacles. Normal kaya na siya, no? But each challenge became an opportunity to reflect, learn, and grow. First, I extend my sincere gratitude to our university administrators, Dr. Valle, Dr. Valmorida, Dr. Orobia, for your trust, support, and understanding. Your confidence in our initiative has strengthened our office and allowed us to grow both professionally and personally. To our faculty and non-teaching staff, thank you for your steadfast commitment, hard work, and dedication. You have been the backbone of the academic year, ensuring that our students were nurtured not only in knowledge but also in character. Daghang salamat also, students, for your trust, support, cooperation, and understanding that we have to set rules or policy that you need to follow. To our PTA, officers, sirs and ma'am, daghang salamat for your trust, support, assistance. Kaya kung wala ang PTA, I do not know what will happen to CMU LHS. All our needs, kung kinahanglan PTA budget, sir, pwede ingani. Daghang salamat to our PTA President, Dr. Julie Dacayana. Where are you, sir? To all the officers, thank you very much. To our parents and guardians, thank you for entrusting us with your children's education and for actively participating in school activities such as the joint PTA and PA Day and the General Assemblies. Your support for the PTA membership adjustment marks a significant step toward a stronger CMU LHS in the years ahead. To the various offices of the university, we are grateful for your continued assistance and cooperation. Your support has enabled us to carry out our programs more effectively and has strengthened our ties as one academic community. To our alumni, I saw some of my former students. We thank you for your active participation in the December 2025 homecoming. Team Hello Love Again. Your presence and generosity, which contributed to the construction of the school's back gate, and the partial installation of fencings have greatly enhanced the safety and security of our students. Your commitment to give back to your alma mater is a living testament to the enduring bond between CMU LHS and its graduates. All these accomplishments stand as proof of what we can achieve when stakeholders, faculty and staff, alumni, PTA, PTA officers, parents, and students work hand in hand. Together, we have shown that progress is not the result of one person's effort, but a community united in vision and purpose. As Mother Teresa of Calcutta beautifully said, not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love. Indeed, it is through the small things, through the small yet consistent acts of love, dedication, and service that our CMU LHS communities continue to grow, flourish, and shine. May we carry forward the spirit of gratitude and collaboration, and may God's grace continue to guide us in all our endeavors. Thank you, and may this day be a reminder of the blessing we share as one family in education and faith. Thank you.